Most people don't start looking for a Revid AI alternative because Revid AI is bad. They start looking because something feels missing. That was exactly my situation. At first, Revid AI felt incredible. I could create videos much faster than before. Ideas became videos in minutes. The workflow felt smooth. Honestly, I understood why so many creators were talking about it. But after a few weeks, I noticed something. The problem wasn't creating content anymore. The problem was creating content that actually stood out. That's when I started testing other tools. The first tool I looked at was Opus Clip, and immediately I understood why creators like it. Instead of generating completely new content, it takes your existing videos and finds the best moments automatically. The clips felt more natural because they came from real conversations and real content. Then I moved to Submagix. This was a completely different experience. What impressed me wasn't the AI itself, it was the editing quality. The captions looked cleaner, the videos felt more professional, everything looked more polished without spending hours editing manually. After that, I tested KLAP. And honestly, this tool surprised me. The speed is ridiculous. Upload a video, wait a few minutes, and suddenly you have multiple short-form clips ready to publish. If you're posting content every day, that kind of speed matters. Then I started comparing all three tools side by side. That's when something interesting happened. I realized there wasn't a clear winner. Each tool solved a different problem. Opus Clip was best for repurposing content. Submagix was best for making content look better. Clap was best for creating content faster. And Revid AI still did a good job at helping creators go from idea to video quickly. That's why I think a lot of people make the wrong decision. They keep searching for the best AI tool, but the best tool depends entirely on your workflow. If you're a YouTuber with lots of long-form videos, I'd probably look at Opus Clip first. If you're obsessed with retention and visual quality, Submagix makes more sense. If speed is everything, Clap is hard to beat. And if you want an all-in-one content workflow, Revid AI is still worth considering. So should you stop using Revid AI? Maybe. Maybe not. The real question isn't whether another tool is better. The real question is whether another tool is better for you, because that's where most creators get it wrong. They keep switching tools, when what they really need is a workflow that works consistently, and that's usually where the real growth happens. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.